Hello class! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo guys kung paano ba mag-solve ng composite functions using the FX991ES Plus Casio calculator. Okay, so bago yan, define muna natin ano bang ibig sabihin ng composite function. So let f and g be functions. The composite function denoted by f composed with g is defined by f composed with g of x is equal to f of g of x. Okay, so dito guys sa composite function, kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating second function na g of x ay naka-input doon sa ating first function na f of x. Okay, so may tatlo tayong problems or may mga problems tayo na sasagutan sa video ito. Start tayo for example number 1. We have f of x equals 4x minus 1 and g of x equals negative 3x squared plus 5x. So we are asked to find the f composed with g of 4. Okay, so again, gagamitin natin yung ating Casio calculator. Pero bago yun, make sure na tama yung ating setup. Okay, so ang mode na gagamitin natin is yung number 1, yung computation, comp. Then, sa ating setup naman, ang gagamitin natin yung math. Yung number 1 dito sa ating setup. Okay? So, ngayon, try nating solve si f composed with g of 4. So, ang f composed with g of 4, same lang yan guys ni f of g of 4. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, bago natin ma-solve yung ating composite function, isolve muna natin yung ating g of 4. Okay, so using our calculator, input natin si g of x. Ang g of x natin, meron tayong negative 3x squared plus 5. So sa ating calculator, type natin yan. We have negative 3. Then yung x, makikita yan guys doon sa alpha, sa may taas ng ating close parenthesis. Okay, so pindutin nyo lang yung alpha. Then press natin yung x. Ayan, makikita yan sa may, again, sa may ating close parenthesis button. Okay, so lalabas din yung x, then square natin, plus 5. So after nyo ma-input guys si g of x, pwede na nating ma-solve si g of 4. So para ma-solve yan, pagka-input ng g of x, pindutin nyo yung calc. Ito guys, sa may baba ng shift. Calculate or calc. Then, ang value ng x natin ay positive 4. So type natin 4. Nakuha? Then press equal. So, lalabas dito, ang g of 4 natin is equal to negative 43. So, ito na ngayon yan. Okay? So, after natin ma-solve si negative 43, i-input natin yan guys dito sa ating f of x. Sa f. So, ang f of x natin, we have 4x minus 1. So, type natin yan sa may calculator natin. We have 4 alpha, then x minus 1. Then, calculate natin. Again, ang x natin ay negative 43. So, pagka-calc natin, press natin negative 43. So, ang final answer natin, negative 173. Nakuha ba guys? So, ito na ngayon yung ating f composed with g or yung ating composite function. Next, let's proceed to example number 2. We have g of x equals x squared minus 3x and h of x equals 4x plus 4. Then we are asked to find the g composed with h of 0. Okay, so again, itong g composed with h of 0, same lang yan guys ni g of h of 0. Alright, so ang una nyong gagawin is compute natin si h of 0. So input natin si h of x. Sa ating calculator, we have 4x plus 4. So, 4 alpha, then x plus 4. Okay? Pagka-input natin ng h of x, i-calculate natin. Calc, pindutin nyo to guys. Then, press 0, since yun yung value ni x. Alright? Pagka-input nyo ng 0, press equal, lalabas dyan positive 4. Ito na ngayon guys, yung value ng ating h of 0. Pagkakuha nyo guys ng positive 4, pwede na natin kunin si g of 4. So again, input natin sa calculator yung ating g of x. So we have x squared, so alpha x, then square, minus 3x. So minus 3, then alpha x. Okay, so ito na ngayon guys yung ating g of x. Then calculate natin. Calc, ang value ng x natin ay positive 4. Ito yung h of 0 kanina. So input natin 4, then press equal. So final answer natin guys, positive 4. Okay? So next, example number 3, we have g of x equals 3x squared plus 4x. Then yung h of x natin equals 2x minus 5. Then we are asked to find the g composed with h of 4. Okay, so ang g composed with h of 4, same lang yan guys ni g of h of 4. So try natin isolve si h of 4. So input natin si h. So sa ating calculator, ang h of x natin, we have 2 alpha x minus 5. Okay, then calculate natin si positive 4, yung value ng ating x. Then press equal. Lalabas dito positive 3. Ito ngayon guys yung ating h of 4. Then after that, input natin si 3 dito sa ating g of x. So using our calculator, input si g of x, we have 3x, so alpha, then nandito siya sa may taas ng ating close parenthesis, square, plus 4x. Alpha, then x. Okay? Then calculate natin, calc, ang value ng x natin, positive 3. So, final answer natin, positive 39. Okay? So, last example, we have f of x equals x squared over x plus 1. And g of x equals x squared minus 4 all over x plus 2. Then, we are asked to find f composed with g of 5. So, again, para ma-solve to guys, kunin muna natin si g of 5. Okay, so input natin si g of x dito sa ating calculator. So may fraction tayo. Para makapaglagay tayo ng fraction, press natin to guys. Yung fraction makikita sa may baba ng ating calc. Ngayon, input natin si x squared minus 4. So we have alpha x, then square minus 4. Then press natin yung ito para pumunta sa baba. Yung button natin sa gitna. Okay, then we have x plus 2. Alpha x, ito na yun, then plus 2. Okay, so ngayon calculate natin to, calc. Ang value ng x natin ay positive 5, di ba? Para makuha si g of 5. So press natin si 5, then equals. So ang lumabas dito, positive 3. So therefore, ang g of 5 natin ay 3. Okay, so meron tayong f of 3. So, ngayon, to get the f of 3, input natin si f of x. We have x squared over x plus 1. So, that is fraction ulit. Then, alpha x squared. Then, press natin tong button natin dito para pumunta sa baba. Then, x plus 1, alpha x plus 1. Okay, so, calculate natin ngayon, guys. Ang value ng ating x ay positive 3. Ito yung g of 5 kanina. Press natin si 3, then equals. So, dito, ang final answer natin, we have 9 over 4. Nakuha? So, naintindihan ba guys kung paano mag-compute ng composite function? So, this is the end of our video. I hope naintindihan nyo guys kung paano ba natin ginagamit yung ating FX991ES Plus Casio calculator. So, if you have questions or clarifications, kindly put them on the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. This is Prof D. I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye!